Ever grappled with the common problem of wrinkles and yearned for a solution? In the seemingly endless universe of skincare, a unique remedy has surfaced. An orange cream that asserts it can wipe out wrinkles in just 10 minutes. This natural blend reportedly harnesses the power of essential oils, fostering deep hydration and sparking metabolic processes. The journey today is to uncover this recipe and delve into the potential benefits of this DIY skin elixir. The magic of this wrinkle-banishing potion lies in the fusion of a large orange, a medium carrot, 6 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Essential oils from oranges are believed to seep deep into the dermis, sparking metabolic processes and boosting cell regeneration. Carrots lend their anti-aging properties, while bay leaves, coconut oil, and olive oil collaborate to form a rich and nourishing blend. To concoct this orange cream, start by thoroughly washing a large orange in warm water with baking soda to rid it of any impurities. Grate the orange zest and a medium carrot. Then combine the grated orange zest, grated carrot, 6 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Place a towel at the bottom of a pot to prevent water from infiltrating the cream during cooking. Add water to the pot and bring it to a boil, allowing it to cook over medium heat for 40 minutes. Strain the mixture and let it chill in the fridge. After each use, ensure to store the orange cream in the refrigerator. Essential oils in oranges are known to penetrate deep layers of the dermis, providing intense hydration and activating metabolic processes. This, in turn, aids in cell regeneration, promoting healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Carrots, rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, can help combat signs of aging, reduce inflammation, and promote skin health. Coconut oil and olive oil, renowned for their moisturizing and nourishing properties, create a creamy consistency that can hydrate and revitalize the skin. The regular use of this orange cream is said to stave off aging by slowing down the drying and wrinkling of the skin. Oranges contain substances that contribute to softening the skin, providing noticeable results from the first application. However, before incorporating any new skincare regimen, it's crucial to perform a patch test on a small area of the skin to ensure there are no adverse reactions. The allure of a 10-minute remedy for wrinkles is undoubtedly captivating. The natural ingredients in this orange cream elixir hold promise, and the results may vary from person to person. If you're intrigued by this homemade solution, give it a try and share your experience. For more natural health tips and beauty hacks, subscribe to Afro Asia Blog's channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. If there are specific topics you'd like the channel to cover, drop a comment below. Here's to radiant, wrinkle-free skin.